Good morning everyone. This is J. Kavya, 10th class A section. Now I am going to explain about computer. Computer is an electronic device which consists of hardware and software. Electronic means work with power supply. Hardware, it is a tool or equipment of computer. For example, keyboard, mouse, monitor, speakers, etc. Software. Software is a set of instructions which tell to the computer what to do and how to do. For examples, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, MS Paint, etc. Coming to generation of computer technology. First generation vacuum tubes, 1946 to 1959. Second generation transistors, 1959 to 1965. Third generation integrated circuits, 1965 to 1971. Fourth generation microprocessor, 1971 to 1980. Fifth generation AI means artificial intelligence, 1982 till now, which we used. Input devices and output devices. Input devices, the device which are used to give input instructions by user to computer are called input devices. For example, keyboard and mouse. Mouse is one input device is used to give input data by selecting on the screen. And scanner. Scanner is input device which is used to give data or picture directly. Trackball. It is also input device which used to select data by moving ball. Lightpen. It is input device which is used to draw lines, figures and diagrams, etc. Now output devices. Devices which is used to show the final result of computer. For example, monitor. Monitor is the output device which is display the result on the screen. Monitors are two types: cathode ray tube and liquid crystal liquid. Print. Touch screen. It is input and output device. We are giving information by touching on screen and after getting output device. For example, ATM, touch phones. And projector. Projector is also output device. It displays screen on wall or sheet by focusing light on it.